That sinking feeling in your stomach. You know the one? It happens the moment a bright orange light pops up on your dashboard. Usually, you are miles from home. You start wondering if the engine is about to melt, or if it is just a loose gas cap. For years, we were slaves to the local repair shop just to get an answer. You would hand over 50 or $100 just for a technician to tell you what your own car already knew. But things are shifting. There is a new wave of wireless diagnostic gear that puts that power right in your pocket. It is changing how we look at car maintenance. Forget the old clunky plastic boxes and thick, greasy cables. This new generation of hardware uses a small adapter that plugs into your car, and it talks directly to your phone or tablet. No wires, no mess. You can walk around the entire vehicle. You can stand by the exhaust. You can poke around the battery, all while watching live data flow across your screen in real time. It feels modern. It feels fast. The interface is a crisp, clean app on the device you already own. It works with both major mobile operating systems seamlessly. But the real magic is not just reading errors. It is the ability to talk back to the vehicle. Most basic scanners are just listeners. This device is a talker. It features bi-directional control. You can send commands to the car. You can tell the car to turn on the fuel pump. You can command the cooling fans to spin up. You can even test individual injectors or click the door locks from your tablet. This is how you find the real problems. Instead of guessing if a part is broken, you just ask the car to move it. If it moves, the part is fine. If it stays silent, you found your culprit. It turns hours of frustrating guesswork into a few minutes of clicking buttons. You can see everything: the engine, the transmission, the safety systems, and the electronic modules. The live data graphing is another huge win. You can watch sensor readings move up and down on a chart. You can track engine speed, coolant temperature, and fuel mixtures. This is the only way to catch those tiny glitches that do not stay long enough to trigger a permanent light. It gives you a level of confidence that was once only available to professional mechanics. Of course, it is not a magic wand for every single task. It does not handle the deepest service functions, like bleeding the braking system or registering a brand new battery. You should also check if your specific car is supported before jumping in. But for the person who wants to take control of their own garage, this is a massive leap forward. It makes the complex feel approachable. It saves you from unnecessary trips to the dealer. It confirms that your repairs actually worked. Most of all, it gives you the truth about what is happening under the hood. You are no longer at the mercy of a mystery light, and that is a very good place to be.